In this podcast, we are learning about word problems dealing with percents. We're going to do 3 examples today. The first example is a pretty simple is over of equals percent over 100. So, 20% of what is 16? So the is 16. The of is unknown, so we're going to use the variable x. 20%, so that goes over here, over 100. Now, we can see that 20 over 100 can be reduced. So we have 16 over x equals 1 over 5. Now we see that you have to multiply 1 by 16 to get 16. So we would have to multiply 5 by 16 to get x. So x would equal 80. So the of would also equal 80. So this is the second practice problem. And as you can see, it's set up differently from the first one that we did, because this is a sale price problem. And this has a different equation. The equation is sale price over original price equals percent over 100. So let's read this problem. An item is on sale for $87, which reflects a sale of 25%. What was the original price? So we have to plug in our numbers. The sale price is $87, and we're trying to find the original price. So we're going to say that's x, and we have 25% over 100. Now we can see that 25 over 100 can be reduced. So that's 87 over x equals 1 over 4. Now, in order from 1 to get to 87, you have to multiply it by 87. So let's do the same thing to the bottom. And 4 times 87 is 348. So the original price of the problem would be $348. This is practice problem number 3, and as you can see, it doesn't look like practice problem number 1 or 2. That's because this is a percent decrease problem. Now, since it's not like the others, that means it has a different equation. Now, this equation is the amount of change over the original equals the percent over 100. Now, let's read the problem. Last year, the math club had 30 members. This year, the club has 24 members. Find the percent decrease in the number of members. So the amount of change, so it started with 30 members, and now there's 24, over the original amount, which is 30, equals percent, which you don't know, which is going to be x over 100. So this is 6 over 30 equals x over 100. Now we see that 6 over 30 can be changed into 1 over 5 equals x over 100. Now, in order from 5 to get to 100, you have to multiply by 20. So you do the same to the top. So x would equal 20. So that means that the percent decrease is 20%.